What exactly do we do in the industry? For over 10 years, our industry teams have been at the forefront of driving customer transformation and delivering real value to our industrial partners. At Dassault Systèmes, we view the world through the lens of 12 key industries, spanning from manufacturing to life sciences and healthcare, and now large-scale infrastructures like energy grids and cities. Every industry is structured the same way. Business and solution roles come together. Collaboration between industries, this is the future of value innovation. And now, let's hear from the talented team.
It's all about assessing and understanding the challenges of our customer and then ensure that they are going to make the most of our solutions.
Along with my team, I work quite closely with geo sales teams to develop the go-to-market strategies.
Let me try. We try to build the right software solutions to help our customers transform themselves.
Let me translate. We make sure our customers have a smooth ride.
Market research and analysis, data-driven decision-making, and just being passionate about new technologies like AI and applications of virtual twin.
And to me, definitely is active listening, because we need to deeply understand the challenges of our customer, and critical thinking at the same time, because we need to challenge the status quo.
To excel in my role, I need industry-specific expertise, but that's not all.
Yeah, I guess we also need to be customer-focused, listening to them, understanding their challenges to better prioritize and scope customer projects.
So I really love the international spirit of the team, and that we are passionate and involved with what we do, basically, in industry.
I totally agree with you. What really stands out with the industry team is we work closely with our customers and help them innovate and be more sustainable. And that definitely needs growth mindset.
You've heard some of the people of the industry talking about their role and why they're enjoying working in the industry organization. In the industry organization, what we do is at the center of Dassault Systèmes. From defining our industry offer, to engaging with the most important customer, to evangelizing our ecosystem, to explain the transformation of the industry, we are changing the game for all the industry we serve. Me, Florence, I have the joy of leading this organization. And if you too, you want to change the game with us, please look at the 3DS Career website under the industry part and, well, come and join us.